In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a board in Trello. Whether you're managing projects, organizing tasks, or collaborating with a team, knowing how to duplicate a board can be incredibly useful for maintaining consistency and saving time. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Trello's homepage. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Simply click on the Log In button, which you should find at the upper corner of the screen. If you haven't logged in yet, this is your gateway into accessing all your Trello boards and projects. After clicking Login, you'll want to select the Google option if you typically use your Google account to sign in. It's an easy way to streamline the login process and ensures that all your Google connected Trello boards appear seamlessly. Go ahead and select your account from the available options. Once that's done, you'll find yourself in the main Trello dashboard where you can see all your created boards. Now you need to locate the specific board you want to copy. Navigate over to your board either by scrolling through your dashboard or using Trello's search feature if you have many boards. Once you find it, click on the board to open it. With your desired board open, direct your attention to the top right corner. Look for the icon displaying 3 dots. This is your board's menu containing various options for board management. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on those 3 dots. Next, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. What you're looking for is near the bottom of this list. You'll want to click on the option labeled Copy Board. This step is crucial as it's going to create a duplicate of your board with all its current configurations. At this point, a dialog box will pop up asking you to enter a new title for your copied board. This is where you can get creative or simply add a version number if that's more suitable for your needs. Be sure to also select the workspace where you want this new board to reside. Workspaces help keep multiple projects organized, so choose one that aligns with your goals. Finally, with your new board title typed in and workspace selected, there's just one more thing to do. Click on the Create button. This action will finalize the copying process, creating an exact replica of your board in the selected workspace. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to copy a board in Trello. This can be especially helpful when you're looking to duplicate projects with similar tasks, or when you want to prototype a board before making any major changes. With this process, you can enhance your productivity and organization effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your workflow.